Hello everyone and welcome to this video guide. I will show with you step by step how to create a Sedo account. So if you want to create accounts, go to Google, search for Sedo. This is the keyword. Click on this first website here. You will see this page. Go to register option to create your accounts. In this case, you can create an account for free. Just write your email address, your username, section and password. After that, click continue. So in this case, just fill this information here, and then after click create your account, just sign up, click login. By login, I create successfully accounts. This is my account here, and this is how you can do to create your account. Just click on if I go back, log out successfully here. From this section, click register and then fill this information, email and password. Make sure write a strong password and then click continue. I hope this guide helpful for you. See you.